I hope you enjoy your time here in our beautiful city.
Love is the way, love is the answer, that's what they say. And then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes back.
These are the faces of the 2016 award winners.
I want to thank you for joining us right here in Toronto.
Good morning and welcome to WPC. Welcome to Toronto. It's fantastic for me to be back here. Always be a partner-led company. But what really drives us, what makes it all possible is your passion, your commitment, and your drive to make us better. Your feedback, those mails I get from all of you throughout the year. The biggest difference is that last part of achieving more. It's not about celebrating they're transforming their own business, achieving their own success, and having their own impact. And the goal of having a cloud infrastructure is to be able to realize that potential. Becoming a digital company, there is no better example than
Just keep looking pensive. Just keep.
On the consumer side, but we think it would be better fit over here. So
collaborative meeting space in a room. A couple minutes at most.
When you run the whole data set, that's the longest.
I run the data set, but it's not very long.
in this area, what's really important is water infiltration, right?